on how we totally. Are you arguing?
What happened?
Is there anything you want to say? Are you going to deny the allegations, Ron?
How are you going to plead to these charges?
Is there anything you'd like to say publicly? You haven't made a statement so far. What do you want to say to the public?
Watch your back now. Watch your back.
Are you going to defend these charges?